You guys ready?
Yeah!
All right, guys, so here, check it out. We're here at Team Turla After School Program doing a new experiment today. So, who can tell me what are 3 states of matter? No.
Solid, liquid, gas.
Solid, liquid, and gas. What is a solid? What are the characteristics of a solid? Kimber.
It has a specific form, and it doesn't just move around. It's not that flexible.
Okay, it's rigid, right? So that's one characteristic. Who can tell me another? Yes.
It's hard.
That's what rigid means. Last time I checked. What else? Does it take the form of does it have a definite volume? Yes, right. It has a volume. It doesn't take the volume of another object. What takes the volume of another object?
Liquid.
Liquid, right?
Liquid.
And liquid has a volume. Can you fit more water in this container?
Yes.
What about when I top it off?
No.
No, right? So water or liquids take the value, okay, of the object that is given, right? And usually what happens between solids, let's say this piece of glass right here, this is solid, right? Or this table, is that when you apply heat to it, right, even they melt and they start becoming liquids, right? And then when you apply more heat to the liquid, what happens? It turns into gas. So that's real cool. So last time we did an experiment with a special type of metal. Anybody remember what it was called? Ali. Gallium. So here we have gallium. And because we live in Florida and it's very, very hot in Florida, this metal is in what form? What state of matter right now? Liquid. Oh. This one is actually solid. We need to heat it up. We're not going to talk about gallium today. We talked about gallium last time. Today we're going to talk about liquids, okay? And the different type of liquids. And all liquids usually, right? What kind of liquid is this?
Water.
Now this is the most important liquid because we need water to what? To survive. Here we have another type of liquid. What kind of liquid is this?
Vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil. And different liquids have different viscosity, okay? Viscosity is like how much tension you find in that liquid. For example, what would be easier to swim? On water or honey? Water would be a lot easier, right? What about honey or dish? Can I have another one of the or dishwasher fluid? Right? Dishwasher fluid is you can see it's not as thick, right, as honey. That it doesn't just go straight down, right? Like it takes it a while to move, right? Some sticks to the walls, but it reacts pretty the same, right? Now all these liquids, regardless, can I squeeze water and form it into a ball? No. Should we try it? Because you know I'm pretty magical, right?
Yeah.
So maybe we should give it a try, okay? I'm gonna grab this piece of water right here, okay? And we're gonna grab it, and I'm gonna grab the water. I'm gonna put so much pressure on it that it's gonna turn into
Ice.
a ball. Failed, right? So we have created a special type of liquid here that some of you guys know it already as. What do you call this? Oobleck. Okay, and the Oobleck is a special type of liquid because it doesn't actually act like a liquid. So first we must prove that it's a liquid. First, that it has liquid properties, right? So it must take the shape of what? Of the object. Look at that. Is it a liquid?
Yes.
It took, well, I'm even impressed with that. It took the shape of the object. See? Grab, get a piece of it, put it in your hand, squeeze it, make a ball out of it.
Heat up your nose in the microwave, it turns into
So how is this solid different from gallium? Yes, Ali. What was the difference between?
The gallium, it melts into a liquid, and when it's cold, it's a solid.
Is based on what temperature, right?
Yeah.
What is this based on?
Pressure.
Pressure, right? So pressure can be a variable that changes something from a solid into what?
A liquid.
To a liquid, right? What are the ingredients we need to make this? Pretty cool, right? You guys have fun?
Yes,
All right, everybody go play. Go, 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 go. All right, guys, Professor Einstein over here, E equals MC squared after school program.